strong, you look powerful.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Done? Thank you.
We start by congratulating you like for completing 9 years officially, like with the release of your film, Om Shanti. Many congratulations for that.
Thank you.
So, any words for it? Like, how does it?
Uh, it feels amazing. I don't feel like I've completed 9 years. Like I always say, I feel like I've just started off. And I feel like I have a lot more to give. I feel like I'm ready for even more challenging um, roles and even more challenging films. And I'm excited about one of those experiences because Padmavati is going to be extremely difficult, and but I'm ready. I think I'm ready for that experience and for that journey.
जैसे मैंने बोला ये साल मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा है. कितना चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग, मैं क्या करूँ देखो. हाँ, तो बहुत स्पेशल रहा है बिकॉज इस साल सुल्तान और ऐदिल है मुश्किल दोनों फिल्में रिलीज़ हुई हैं मेरी और नॉट जस्ट दैट दोनों पिक्चरें सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर और मेरी परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद किया है. तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक्टर के लिए वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरा साल. ओके, थैंक यू गाइज.
रिंग के बारे में भी अगर आपको
अभी बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तो बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में. थैंक
रोज
यू.
की बात हो रही है क्योंकि तो आपसे जानना चाहिए कि आपकी लाइफ का पहला रोज आपने दिया हो या आपको किसी ने जो कुछ याद है आपको ऐसे मेमोरी को शेयर करना चाहे.
नहीं, याद ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Would you like to
ऐसे हो सकता है मतलब सच्ची में याद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसे कौन याद रखता है मेरा पहला रोज मुझे किसी ने दिया था. ऐसे याद रखते हैं लोग. आज में किसी ने नहीं दिया.
Hello. Am I? I'm very unwell. I think you can tell from my voice. Is it? Part of being an actor. How are you doing? I'm sorry I'm really late, but I was really unwell, so it took me. Oh, shush, please. You probably didn't even realize I was here. How's it going? This is really great. The weather's really nice, huh? Yes. I got an invitation. It's the first of its kind. It sounds really lovely, and I thought I'd come. So that's my part in the ceremony. Oh. I see. I think it just represents beauty and the epitome of, I think, an Indian beauty. So it's iconic. And I think it's really lovely that they are commemorating and sort of regaling Indian divas.
Hi, good evening. बच्चा तो क्यूट ही रहेगा ना. सेलिब्रेशंस भी क्यूट रहेंगे ना. He's a kid. It was fun. A lot of fun. Thank you very much.
आज की शाम के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे like what are you expecting Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is hosting and probably is the only man in the women's set.
In the categories. Well, I've actually judged the categories, so मुझे सारे जितने भी nominees हैं मुझे पता है, so I'm aware of that and I'm very excited. And जैसे आपने कहा कि शाहरुख is going to be there. I'm always a Shahrukh fan, so I'm looking forward to that. Thank you.
Hi. Thank you. Lots of beautiful people. Women are beautiful. They make movies look beautiful. And I'm just glad that I'm part of Indian cinema. Sometimes it feels like a dream, and I'm happy that I'm an actress telling stories in Indian cinema. And it's a pleasure being here. I performed in 2 songs. One is Ek Do Teen, and the other one is Piya Tu Ab To Aaja. So yeah. हाँ जी. अच्छा लगता है किसी अब जब आपको अवार्ड मिलता है, एप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, अच्छा लगता है और इट्स अ गुड फीलिंग. नमस्ते. टर्बुलेंस हैपनिंग आपके दिल में.
Yes.
We all die for this smile of yours.
Thank you. Well, thank you so much. Compliments.
Please tell us something about your association with Lux और आज की शाम के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें. You have been part of.
Yes, I have been part of the Lux Golden Awards, and I think it's a wonderful thing because they are recognizing all the female characters in movies, all the heroines, all the actors who have contributed so much towards the industry, and all of them are women today. They're going to be awarded, they're going to be felicitated, which is a wonderful thing, I think. No, I think there have been a lot of women who have impacted cinema, and there will be a lot of women who will impact cinema in the future. And it's wonderful that all of them will be recognized in this way.